Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 20 new Easter eggs added to Schedule 1. Found throughout the map, there's a reference to a sketch from the Eric Andre show, not an actual protest against outlawing dressing. Outside the taco restaurant, there's graffiti that blames a burrito for killing someone's nan. This Eggman character appears both in street art and in the Motel's Egg Run game. He's a known internet figure featured on the Cold One's YouTube channel. There's a giant spoon behind Dan's hardware. It's a reference to King Bak's vine about a spoonful. This graffiti features SpongeBob with translated text, though its full meaning remains unclear. There is also new Moist Critical graffiti. This is a stylized version of the popular YouTuber. It also says Rip Bozo under the Highlands tattoo, probably meant to mock its legacy. There are parody brand names found among trash. Red Bulls mimic Red Bull, of course, while Pristine pokes fun at mouthwash brands. The fictional drink Coke references Coca-Cola and the British sitcom The IT Crowd. Peterphile is probably a character you've come across. This character with an unfortunate pun name is directly referencing The IT Crowd. McLovin is the owner of a pawn shop. His name is also a nod to McLovin from the movie Superbad. Found in the motel room, you can see this little figure standing by the sink. This is meant to be the president Richard Nixon, and is also a satirical reference to his real-life declaration of the war on drugs. The game's RV startup is inspired by Breaking Bad. There's also Ham Legal Services. This is a reference to Better Call Saul's Hamlin McGill. There's a character in the woods resembling Trevor from GTA 5. He appears near Highland Manor and disappears if looked at. You can also see overturned wheelchairs scattered around the map. Even though Uncle Nelson uses one, no NPCs currently operate them. They might be rideable in future updates. There's also a hidden garden gnome found in a remote area near Highland Manor. This may become a collectible later on. There are some weird gas pump labels such as garbage gas, regular gas, mega gas, and sexy gas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!